All right, we got the skirt board done here and the guardrail. So we had to do something to get the hose out from where it was on the house, and so we passed it under there. So the skirt board, of course, this little thing right here is leaking, and so the little T will have to get that replaced. But for now, I told my dad he could just go ahead and water the garden. So this is how my little detail worked out here, and this piece here will close off the stairs from here, so that's kind of how that works. And I didn't quite get the handrail done. The handrail is the last thing I have to do. I just wanted to show you the skirting and how you can kind of jazz up your deck with skirting, especially if you have a low deck. Like, why do you even want anything to be able to get under there? So this will keep animals out, it'll keep balls and things, tumbleweeds, whatever. Just like, all that is it's just the fence pickets, and they're just staggered there. And then how I got them under the 2x4 is I just ripped it out like that. You see that? So they all just tuck under there. And I didn't put a bottom piece on because then I wouldn't have be able to get them in, because when they go up in, they tuck up under like that. Okay. So it took a long time to do that just because of all the little cuts. And I don't have my chop saw, I just have the circular saw. But I like the way that skirt board jazzes up the deck. So in the next video, I'll clean all this out and get a glamour shot of how this handicap ramp turned out. Thanks for watching.